Let's also get you a quick picture, a quick wrap from what's been happening across the country for that matter. I'm being joined by reporters Dharani, who's in Karur, Shreya, Kuch Bihar, Anamika, Guwahati, Gajraj, Jaipur, Pradeep in Udhampur. Thank you very much, all of you, for joining us. Dharani, let's go across to you first, um, as well as Saket from Gaya. Dharani, as well as Pradeep from Jammu and Kashmir, as well. Of course, he is in Udhampur. Well, Dharani, to you first. Tamil Nadu has now officially sealed its deal. We don't know who's going to be the winner, but voters have made their choice, have made their decision. We'll have to wait for the results, Dharani, but how is it looking around where you are? Are people still waiting in their lines? What's the kind of report that you're getting? What's been the voter turnout? What's been the largest sentiment?
As of 5 p.m., Tamil Nadu has recorded 63.20% of votes. So the voting has ended by 6 p.m. The final percentage is yet to be out, but as of 5 p.m., the percentage is 63.20. So in the next 1 hour, probably the percentage will cross 70 is what we expect. And right now, I'm standing in one of the polling booths in Kinattukadavu, area of Tamil Nadu. This falls under the parliamentary constituency of Pollachi, and of course there is no crowd. The booth agents here, they told us that post 3 p.m. they couldn't see much crowd, but there was a huge crowd in the morning. People thronged the polling booth in the morning, a large number of people, hundreds of them. But after 3 p.m. The number of voters who had come to this particular polling booth was quite less. And in fact, right now the polling is officially over. There is nobody waiting over there to cast their vote. And soon from now on, the EVM machines, they'll be locked and they'll be taken to the strong room of this particular constituency, that is Pollachi. So just like this polling booth, in most of the urban areas, the voting seems to have been ended. But in rural areas, we're given to understand that people are still coming to the polling booths because they've gone for their daily wage jobs, and they must be returning back to their houses by 5 p.m. or 4:30 p.m. and they are going to the polling booths, and they are casting their votes. Of course, Tamil Nadu is looking at a three-cornered fight between the India Alliance, the NDA, and then the ADMK. MK Stalin is pinning his hope on the last 3 years of the governors of the DMK's governance in state. The DMK's main theme, as far as this parliamentary election is concerned, is about state rights, federalism, and also saving the idea of India and democracy, secularism, to be precise. On the other hand, the BJP is promising a better governance, and they are telling that at least this time the people of Tamil Nadu should give one chance to the BJP. Right. Especially we have Tamil Nadu BJP chief K. Annamalai contesting from Coimbatore parliamentary constituency, so he is hopeful of getting a win there, and the BJP is also looking at a two-digit vote share, at least 20%. And as far as ADMK is concerned, this is a litmus test to Edappadi Palanisamy, because since the internal rift between OPS and OPS broke out in ADMK, this is the first major election the party is facing under the leadership of Edappadi Palanisamy, the single leadership. So this is kind of a litmus test to his leadership. So we will have to wait and see. But for the moment, right, the state of Tamil Nadu has cast its vote in the parliamentary elections officially.